after 6 in the morning. So the lighting is coming from that side, so you guys mostly see how I do this brow. I'll be doing both brows, but that one is what I'm gonna show you step by step how I'll do my brows today. So the pencil that I'm using, it's a retractable pencil. It's from LA Girl. It's the LA Girl Ultimate Eye Intense Stay Auto Liner. It's a retractable eyeliner, but I use it in my brows and it's waterproof as well. So this is how it looks. So the cover, so it's like this. This is like the lighter brown that have other shades, but I use this one. Alright, now for the step by step brow. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your spoolie, you're gonna brush your brow hairs in place. Okay. It's always best if you have groomed the brows, like your brows always groom, you always get perfect brows. Whether you constantly shave it like every week or every 2 weeks, or if you want to just tweeze underneath it just to outline it back. So whether you want to tweeze under here or at the top, but just make sure your brows are always properly groomed. So now I'm gonna take my pencil. I have the mirror here, so I'm gonna take my pencil and outline my brow. Now this one is a little bit thinner than this, so I'm going to have to overline in the top a little bit bigger. So overline in the top. I just follow the shape of the brow, but I just don't outline the brow itself, then put it that way. Overline it too much, but I'll show you guys how to fix it, and then I just fill it in. What I normally do, I don't go all the way to the beginning of my brow, and I'll show you guys why. So the beginning of my brow is here, right? So I take it like midway right here. And then what I'll do is I'll take my spoolie and I'll brush it in like this. So it's like I taking the product and putting it at the front part of my brow, just because I want a faded look, because I don't want my brows to look harsh. I don't want it to have a harsh beginning, so I always do this step. And I have to do it before the pencil is dried down completely, because as I said, this pencil is this pencil is waterproof, so it doesn't move when it's dry. Right, so let's here parts of my brow need to shade in some more, so I'm just gonna do that right now. Alright, so yeah, this brow is a lot bigger than over here. So what I'll do, normally I use foundation at the top, concealer at the bottom, but I'm just gonna, excuse my nose, it's dripping. My nose is always dripping. If you guys know what I can use for that, can you comment down below, please? Bottom now. And I always try to put most of it at the bottom. Sorry, at the tail end of my brow. Most of the product. That way I can just go back and get some more to clean up the front part. Right, so this needs to go up some more. And then I'm blending that out. So now both of them is even at the bottom. Now I'm gonna do the top. Yeah, put it at the tail and work my way up to the front. I like when my brows are perfect. Maybe you still have a little bit of, you know, you probably have them looking a little bit different, but if they don't look like sisters, they should look like very, very close cousins. You know what I mean? So, yeah. They should look like distant cousins. Right. So now I'm gonna go back over to the other side. Clean this one up some more. And like when my brows are very, very defined. I like that. I mean, come on, who doesn't? need to brush the brow here up. And now I'm gonna take the what's left on the brush and just kind of do this at the beginning of the brow. And then I'm gonna use a spoolie. Brush the hairs up, sorry. So then I'll definitely get the faded look that I want. Alright guys, so I think I want to neaten up some more about this one. So I'm going to take the Elegant Pro Concealer in Medium Beige. I'm just going to go underneath the bottom, just at the tail part with the concealer. Using this shade to give me, because it's lighter than I am, it will give me a little bit of highlight, which that's what I kind of want.
Mommy?
Yes, baby. I saw wanted to watch tail. So I'm going under this one with it as well.
Mommy?
Yes, baby.
Is that
Hmm? So I'm going to take a little bit and put at the top part, but only at the end. Sorry, it's not seeing. Just blend that out. I like when my brows are perfect, you guys. My brows alone will probably take like 15 to 20 minutes to do. It's like brows are my strong point. But if your brows look a mess, then I think your whole makeup is off. Your whole face when you're doing your makeup is off. So I always just try to do my best all the time on my brows. I'm just taking what's on the back of the brush, which is the foundation, and just blending everything out. Alright. There we go. We have some brown. Alright guys, so this is the finished look on the brows. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to like it if you did. Yeah. Alright guys. Peace.